Did you know the programming language Python isn't named after the snake? It's actually named after Monty Python's Flying Circus, a British comedy series. Guido van Rossum, Python's creator, wanted a name that was short, unique, and fun, just like the language itself. This connection is why Python's documentation often uses quirky examples referencing spam, eggs, and jokes, paying homage to the show. So, every time you write import this for the Zen of Python or deal with spam in your code examples, you're actually nodding to a comedy troupe. Python. Serious code with a side of humor.